Guys, I just wanted to briefly go over this particular assignment. This is an assignment labeled Individual 4.1 through 4.6. This is about sentence revisions, and you will find that this week's Chapter 4 PowerPoint will help tremendously with this. It is going to go through a number of slides where it gives you examples of each of these different sections. So section 4.1, for instance, here is all about UView. So there will be information in your chapter as well as on the PowerPoint with the slides showing you the difference of not being in UView and a sentence that is in UView. But basically what I need you to do here in 4.1 is these particular sentences are not in UView and they're wanting you to change them to UView. So I'll give you an example of that. On number 1, it says, because we have automated our mobile worker trips form, we need all employees to use the Smart Tip Travel Reimbursement mobile app. Now notice that it's a lot about we, and it's not about what is really beneficial for your audience. This is about what you as the company need. We need you to do this. We want to be able to use this mobile app more accurately, or whatever the case may be. We want to change that to their benefit. What's in it for them? So we need to get that pronoun you, and it's so much more than just moving the pronoun you around. It's really more about showing them what is in it for them, what is their benefit. So in this particular case, I would say something to the effect of, in order for you to get your reimbursement quickly, please utilize our automated mobile worker trip forms on the mobile app, or something to that effect. But I'm going to talk about right at the beginning of the sentence what's in it for them to reimburse you your money, to get your money back quicker. So something to that effect. And you'll see that again, like I said, on the slides that are there. 4.2 is a lot easier. I think students usually, if they trip over anything, it's just this 4.1. 4.2 is all about being conversational, but yet professional. So the BTW, let's go ahead and type that out, by the way. And then here, when we're using words like ballistic or ripping off, we want to change that so that we sound a little bit more professional. We don't want to have to put in words where people have to get a thesaurus to actually try to figure it out. But instead, but we do want to be conversational, but yet still professional. So we could say maybe instead, by the way, Madison was very upset when the manager accused her of stealing office supplies. In 4.3, we want to use positive and courteous expressions. So here, a lot of times we write things in a way that could come across as negative, even when they're not negative, if we're not careful. For instance, number 1 says, we regret to announce that we can offer the 50% discount only to the first 25 buyers. Why are we regretting that? We are actually doing something good for our customers. We are giving the first 25 buyers a 50% discount, but we're focusing on the negative. We regret to announce that we can offer. So instead of just saying that, and focus on just the positive. We are offering a 50% discount to the first 25 buyers, so act quickly. There's no need to be negative about that. Construction on your building is at a standstill. Don't focus on that. Instead, talk about construction on your building will resume when. And so we can focus on the positive instead of the negative. 4.4 is about getting rid of biased language. Most students don't have any trouble with that. They can automatically see, we don't need to point out the fact that DeMarcus Jones is an African American. That doesn't add anything here in this particular case to the sentence, and so we can just take that out. And the other one, when we're talking about his employee records, well, there are both his or her employee records, so we might need to state that. And then 4.5, again, utilizing plain language, not trying to just use big words for the sake of using big words. Get in there and make those words more identifiable and easier to understand. 4.6, making sure that we're using just good, precise words that really get across our meaning. In 1, 2, and 3 here in 4.6, you do not have to retype out the sentence. It'll be there if you use the link above to download to make changes to, but I really just need those 3 words. and then getting rid of annoying buzzwords. So hopefully that's helped a little bit. I've tried to cut the assignment down where there's just a few under each topic to help you. And again, if you want to utilize the link may have more because I cut the assignment down, but you only are responsible for what's here on this slide, those first 3 in each one. If you have more questions, as always, feel free to reach out via text, call, or email. I'm happy to help.